Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So, design of column for a house. You can see here that we have fixed the columns for the construction of this house. This is basically the ground floor of this house. You can see it. Okay. So today we will be talking about the normal design in a seismic zone 2B for the construction of a house and having normal geotechnical properties of the soil beneath this house. You can see this is the lap, and the lap between foundation steel and the upper portion steel, and here we have provided number 3 bars is a stirrup at 6 inches. Okay, this is at 6 inches, and in the other portion we have provided number 3 bars at the rate of 8 inches center to center. This is for the shear reinforcement or for the ties in the column, while number 5 bars are 4, what we can say, 4 number 5 bars has been used as main bars. You can see these are the main bars and its diameter is number 5. Okay, so 4 number 5 bars has been used, and for ties or for stirrups we are using number 3 bars at the rate of 8 inches center to center in the middle section, while at the lap section or at the joint section we are using number 3 bars at the rate of 6 inches center to center. So this is the normal design of any column for a house. If you are working in a seismic zone that is having a high impact of earthquake, then you will have to change this design. But if you are working in seismic zone 2B, then this design might be followed for the construction of a 2-story house. Okay, so this was about today. I just wanted to share it with you people. I hope so you would have learned it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.